Hey guys, it's Adriana from the Blue Giraffe. How are you doing today? We are going to be working today on a 6x6. We're going to be using the dark blue, turquoise, and golden combination again. Looking to make a little pair from the last video that we had up. We're again going to be using a black cell accelerator, also a white cell accelerator. So let's see what we come up with. Straight there. Yeah, so the other one is drying pretty well, not getting too many of the cells. Again, I'm trying to have less white cells and more outlined and colorful cells. There's where I'm trying the different blacks and whites, a couple of different formulas. Everything will be listed below for you to see in case it's something you might want to give a go to. Now this one we're starting with a plain canvas, where last time we were covering a very oversold piece. So we are going to do a flip cup. Give us up a clean cup. Okay, so we're going to start with the white. Good amount of that. And again, this is going to be a frosted turquoise, dark blue, and the gold. Pour down the side. So we've had a lot of art shows have been canceled due to the situation that we're in right now. So we're all gonna have to hopefully make it up in the fall. A lot of different promoters are coming up with some interesting ideas, some virtual art shows really coming together and trying to make it so that they're showing our work on their websites, which is wonderful. I'm gonna flip this real quick, which is really nice. I think that we're going to come out with a couple of different ways of selling work after all of this is done. So maybe some online sales will come through. All these will be up in on my website, adrianadangelo.com, and everything will be on Instagram as well. So we're going to put a little bit of this house paint, get a little flow. Again, this is just house paint mixed with some Floetrol and water, but it will give it a little bit of movement once we flip that cup. Inside the cup is pretty. Let's sit a minute. Actually, should we get any of that extra white? Sorry, but I have an obnoxious little Pomeranian upstairs that just thinks that she is the watchdog of all watchdogs, and she just doesn't stop once she starts. But she's adorable, so we put up with her shenanigans. in a minute. Maybe shouldn't have done all that. We'll have to see how that ends up working out. House paint next time is going to be thinner, excuse me, thicker, because this is a lot of movement at once. Bring it over to this corner. Try not to lose that blue. Give that a second. It's a lot of white and blue right there. I was hoping for a little bit more black. See if we can get something going in there. Ooh, pop. Trying to get rid of all those plain white cells. Just stretch it, get more of that blue. Actually, a little bit more interesting that way. Okay, well, definitely got rid of that white in there. That's good. Got in a little bit of that bronze, and again, once this is resined, that really pops. So got a little something in there, a big something in there. Ah, there we go. Okay, well, I think we're gonna call it on that. I will show it to you when it is nice and dry, and have a great day.